Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 6.2 second problem. Already BPT theorem and converse of BPT theorem video I uploaded. I attached the link in the description box. If you didn't see means see that one. After that see this problem. This problem is based on converse of BPT theorem. So if you have any doubt in the converse of BPT theorem, see the video and then see this problem. Then only it will be easy for you. Okay, now see the second problem. E and F are points. E and F are the points on the sides of PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether. You have to tell that EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. When we can tell that these two lines are parallel? By using the converse of BPT theorem, we can tell that if the sides are in the same proportion, and we can tell that these two lines are parallel. So what about the BPT theorem? If these two lines are parallel, then the sides are in same proportion. Then converse of BPT theorem is, if the sides are in the same proportion, we can tell that these two lines are parallel. Okay. Now for this problem, what we have to conclude that if the sides are in the same proportion, we can tell that these lines are parallel. Okay, so PE is equal to 3.9 centimeter. PE is equal to 3.9 centimeter, and then EQ is 3 centimeter. PF is 3.6 centimeter, and FR is 2.4 centimeter. So everything they gave. The sides separately, PE, EQ, PR, R, FR. So we have to find PE divided by EQ, the sides of PQ, and PF divided by FR. If these two sides are in the same proportion means, if it is equal means, we can tell that the lines are parallel. So what is EF? 3.9 divided by 3, and PF is 3.6 divided by 2.4. So cancel this one. By which table we can cancel this one? 3 table. 3 ones are 3.3. So 3.3 divided by 1 is equal to this number. By which table we can cancel this one? 2 table. Last number is a even number, so we can cancel with the 2 table. 1.8, and this one 1.2. Again we can cancel this by 2 table. 0.9, 0.6, and again we can cancel this by 3 table. 0.3, 0.2, 0.3, 0.2. Whether it is equal? It is equal, kana? No, it is not equal. The sides are not in the same proportion. Therefore, we can tell that EF not parallel to QR by converse of BPT theorem. By the converse of BPT theorem, we concluded that EF is not parallel to QR since the sides are not in the same proportion. This is second subdivision problem. In that also we have to prove that EF is parallel to QR. Okay, PE is 4 centimeter, PE is 4 centimeter, EQ is 4.5 centimeter, PF is 8 centimeter, and FR is 9 centimeter. They gave all the sides. So first we have to find PE divided by EQ, and then PF divided by FR. Okay, 4 divided by 4.5 is equal to 8 divided by 9. 8 divided by 9. Clear? So we can cancel this one, Kana. We can cancel this one. No, we can't cancel. So this one also we can't cancel it. So what you can tell? This one also not parallel. Shall we check whether it is not parallel by cross multiplying it? Okay. Cross multiply it. 4. This is another way to find whether both the sides are equal. Okay. 4 into 9 is equal to 8 into 4.5. Cross multiply it. If both the sides LHS and RHS is equal, means we can tell that EF is parallel to QR. Okay, this is another way to find whether the two sides are equal. This one also easy method, because here we can't cancel by any number. This one also we can't cancel by any number. But if we multiply this two number by 2, means 4 2s are 8. You will get 8. 4.5 into 2 means you will get 9. Sometimes the students can't identify easily. For that, cross multiply it, then it will be easy for you. Okay, 4 9s are 36, and 8 into 4.5 is also 36. So now tell me, it is equal or not? Yes, it is equal. The sides are in same proportion. The sides are in same proportion. So we can conclude that EF parallel to QR by converse of BPT theorem. This is third subdivision problem in the second sum, exercise 3.2. PQ is equal to 1.28 centimeter, PR is equal to 2.56 centimeter, PE is equal to 0.18 centimeter, and PF is equal to 0.36 centimeter. Okay, so first mark everything. PQ, the whole side PQ is equal to 1.28 centimeter. Clear? And PR is equal to this full side. PR is equal to 2.56 centimeter, and PE is equal to 0.18, and PF is equal to 0.36 centimeter. So to find the side EQ and FR, how we can find? By subtracting this two. PQ minus PE. If you subtract PQ minus PE, means you will get EQ. You will get EQ. So 1.28 minus 0.18 is equal to EQ. Therefore, EQ is equal to 1.10 centimeter. EQ is equal to 1.10 centimeter. And then how we have to find the FR? By subtracting PR minus PF. Okay. So PR minus PF is equal to FR. PR is 2.56 centimeter minus 0.36 centimeter is equal to FR. So if you subtract, what you will get? 2.20 centimeter. 2.20 centimeter. So FR is equal to 2.20 centimeter. Okay, now easily we can find the value of whether the sides are equal or not, and we can tell that whether it is parallel, EF is parallel to QR or not. Okay, this is 1.10 and this is 2.20. Okay, now what you have to check now whether the sides are in same proportion or not. Okay, P E divided by EQ is equal to FR divided by PF divided by PF divided by FR. Okay, now tell me, what is PE? 0.18 divided by EQ is 1.10 is equal to PF is 0.36 divided by 2.20. So I am going to cancel now. By which table we can cancel this? By 2 table. We can cancel this by 2 table. Before that, I am going to eliminate, neglect this decimal point. For that, I am going to multiply by 100 to the numerator as well as for the denominator on the both the sides. Okay, to remove the decimals, 0.18 into 100 divided by 1.10 into 100 is equal to divided by 2.20 into 100 into 100. So 18 divided by 11, 18 divided by 110 is equal to 36 divided by 220. 220. Okay, we can cancel this by 2 table. How many times we can cancel? 9 times. And this one, how many times we can cancel? 5. Carry over 1, 5. By which table you are going to cancel this one? 4 table. Shall I otherwise try with the 2 table itself? After that we will again divide by 2. How many times we can cancel? 18, and this is 110, and again we can cancel. So 9 divided by 55. So both the sides are equal. This is another way. 9 by 55 is equal to 9 by 55. We can remove the decimal point. After that, if we cancel, means it will be easy for you. That's why I removed the decimal point first, and after that I simplified. So now both the sides are equal. So we can tell that EF is parallel to QR. It implies EF parallel to QR by converse of BPT theorem. Clear?